friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting stitch pattern. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like sweater, jacket, scarf, etc. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is 4 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are even number of stitches, means to say multiple of 2. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please also hit the like button and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 14 stitches on my needle, 14 multiple of 2. Friends, this pattern is start from the wrong side, so after cast on stitches I have prepared a one row by knit all the stitches here. So when you start this pattern in any project, so then after the cast on or after preparing the border, knit a row 1 here. After that pattern row will be start, and the pattern row 1 wrong side. Slip the edge stitch. After that purl all the stitches in the first row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. Second row right side, slip the edge stitch. After that knit all the stitches in the second row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Third row, slip the edge stitch. After that purl all the stitches in the third row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. Fourth row right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 1 stitch, then again knit a second stitch. Now we will shift this second stitch in front and this first stitch in this position. Now knit the second stitch again like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is knit 1 stitch and then shift this second stitch front and the knit stitch after this, and now knit this stitch. Knit 1 stitch, then shift this stitch in front and knit this stitch again like this. Knit 1 stitch and then shift this stitch in front side like this. This knit stitch come after the second stitch like this. Now knit this stitch again. One more repeat. Knit 1 stitch, then shift this stitch in first position, and now knit this stitch like this. Knit 1 stitch, then shift this stitch in front like this and knit this stitch again. In this way we will complete our 4th row. Friends, you can also slow down the speed of the video in YouTube settings. This stitch in front and first here like this. knit 1, then bring this stitch in front position and knit this again like this. Again knit 1 stitch, bring this situation then bring this stitch front and knit this again like this. Again knit 1 stitch, shift this stitch here and knit this again like this. In this way we will complete our 4th row. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch through the back loop like this. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will again repeat these 4 rows for the desired length of the pattern like this. When we repeat these 4 rows, our pattern will be like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.